In behalf of Life Farm Global and Forever Rich Philippines, we would like to thank you for giving us the opportunity to present this miracle in a capsule, which we call Laminine. Before I go into my spill, if there are any doctors or medical practitioners in the room, hi, madam, I hope after this you will not kill me. There might be some things that I might say that might be offensive, but it is not our intention. Our intention is, as like what my mentor is always telling me, Madam Susan Barlin over there, our ambassador, global ambassador to the Philippines. We are here to establish and promote the truth. And I always start my presentation with this statement. Physicians are not healers. We did not study 8 years of medicine to make you well. You have to understand we are in the sickness industry and we have to see sick people all the time. If there's no more sick people, we will be out of business. The body has its own healing mechanism, and it is the doctor's job to activate and reactivate the body's healing mechanism. There's a doctor inside each and every one of you. The problem is we do not listen to the doctor inside our body. Let's take in case, for example, when you have or when you're going to have a fever. The reason why you're going to be having a fever or you have a fever is because there's a viral infection inside your system. And your body is reacting to heal or to kill the virus. But what did we do? We drank, ingat, diba? Iinuman niyo yan ng Biogesic, Bioflu. The fever will subside or will not proceed, but the virus is still inside your system and it will mutate to a different form of disease. Pneumonia, bronchopneumonia, or whatever is there. When the body heals, ladies and gentlemen, the body heals completely, not selectively. Hindi pwedeng papagalingin yan yung sakit ninyo sa puso, pero may sakit pa rin kayo sa atay. Hindi pwedeng papagalingin yung sakit nyo sa baga, pero may sakit pa rin kayo sa puso. When the body heals completely, not selectively. It is for this reason that we, in the alternative side, is promoting or have been promoting products that assist the body in healing itself. There's a big difference between the pharmaceutical and the nutraceutical industry. Let's say, when you buy a medicine in any drugstore, hindi po ba palagi merong waiver yon? If symptoms persist, consult your, ano yung ginamot? Yung po bang sakit o yung sintomas? That's why you have to drink it over and over and over again because it is only treating the symptoms, not the problem on a cellular level. If I may ask, who among you here takes hypertension maintenance? I want to see hands. Hypertension. There you go. Ma'am, how long have you been taking hypertension maintenance? Yes, you po. 6 months. Anybody longer than 6 months? Yes, ma'am. 30 years. Can somebody top 30 years of taking maintenance? Anybody? So, kayo po ang panalo. You see, our relationship as doctor-patient is symbiotic till death do us part. And because I am the doctor, I will make sure it is you who will depart. I stay for the next patient. Sad, but true. When you drink hypertension maintenance, what it does, it's a vasodilator. It will dilate the veins so that the blood can flow smoothly. Correct? And you have to drink that for life. What happens is, kapag ka uminom kayo po niyan, ibubukan niya yung ugat para maganda yung daloy ng dugo. Pagkatapos na wala yung epekto, sasara. And then bubuka uli. Sasara, bubuka, sasara, bubuka. Kakabuka, kakasara po niyan, rumurupok yan. At pag marupok na yan, pag bumuka yan, puputok yan. Pag pumutok yan, thy kingdom come. Bakit pumutok? kasi po, bubo ka. Bisaya ho yun. Pag tinagalog ho, bobo ka. Kasi po, inom ka ng inom, hindi ka naman gumagaling. And the sad thing is, we keep on doing that without knowing that the toxicity of the synthetic drug that we have been taking is embedded in our liver. So after a while, sakit kayo uli. Do you remember the time when you were younger, you heal fast? Do you remember those times when you were younger, you are full of energy? Even now, but not that much. What if you will be given an opportunity to regain that youth? Will you take it? Then that's where we are going to start. Ladies and gentlemen, the name of our product is Laminine. People get sick. There is no way that people can avoid getting sick. Why do we get sick? It's simply because of the virus. The virus proliferating in the air, in the food that you eat, the water that you drink, and most of all, the stress that you impose upon yourself. That is the number one reason. Now, if there's virus, like right now in the air, we are exchanging free radicals. Yung hininga ko po, nasinghot na ninyo. At yung mga hininga nyo, nasinghot ko na, nagkasinghutan na tayo dito ho sa loob. If your immune system is not that fortified, by the time that you get home, you start sneezing, and then you get sick. Normally po, if we're in the office, I normally give out free Laminine before I start the presentation because we're in an enclosed room. Why? Simply because I am a carrier of hepatitis B virus. E di mamaya, nasinghot nyo na yung virus ko, may sakit na kayo. Mabuti na lang ho, hindi hepa virus yung naging sakit ko, kung hindi leukemia. Okay? Sickness, we are not going to get away from that. According to Hippocrates, and it's still being recited to this date, let thy food be thy medicine, and thy medicine be thy food. Ibig sabihin po, magkakasakit tayo dahil sa pagkain, at ang kasagutan po ay nasa pagkain din. Ang problema, hindi natin kinakain ng tama yung pagkain. Halimbawa po, sino narito sa inyo ang kumain ng pineapple? Taas ang kamay. Halos lahat. Meron ba kayong bahagi ng pineapple na hindi nyo kinain? Balat. Ano pa? Yung gitna. Yung iba, 90% of the Filipinos do not eat that fiber. Right? Kapag nasa sosyalan tayo, i-slicein pa yan ng kutsilyo tsaka igaganon ng konti. Diba? Yung pong fiber na yon, inihahalo ngayon yan sa pagkain ng baboy. Diba? May nakita na ba kayong baboy na may sakit sa puso? Meron po ba? Yung nagpakain sa baboy, may sakit sa puso. Kasi po, yung ayaw ninyong kainin is 100% amino acid arginine. And that amino acid is the one that melts down the clogged arteries. Yung mga nakabara dun sa ugat, yun po ang natural na pangtunaw. Hindi nyo kinain. Di po ba? Ano pa yung hindi nyo kinain sa pinya? Yung balat. Yung corona. Karamihan pag sinasabi po namin yan, bakit? Kinakain po ba yon? Yes. Sino na naman ang kumain ng balat at saka yung corona ng pinya? Baboy na naman. May sakita na ba kayong baboy na may arthritis? Meron? Wala. Sino rito mga may arthritis? Taas ang kamay. Those who suffered from arthritis at one point in their life. Ayaw umamin. That particular balat and the corona of the pineapple is 100% amino acid bromelain. Neutralizes uric acid. Corrects arthritis, arthrosis, rheumatism. Ayaw ninyong kain. Kinakain po yan. Bine-blender na ngayon. You buy a very powerful blender and you blender that thing, the entire pinya. Even the mata. You chop it finely and then blender it. Ang sarap po niyan. Diba? See? Let thy food be thy medicine be thy food. According to the food pyramid, 5 servings of vegetables per day and 1 serving of meat per week. The body needs to be 100% balanced, 85% alkaline and 15% acidic. But because of our dietary habits, it is now the reverse. It is now 85% acidic and 15% alkaline. Sad. Kaya pag madali pong mag-init ang ulo nyo, hindi kayo HB or high blood. Acidic po kayo. Kumukulo yung gastric gland ninyo. Kung titignan nyo sa endoscopy yan, parang bulkan yan, gumaganon. Acidity. And cancer cells feeds on acidity or on acidic environment. In the same token that cancer cells feeds on mucus. Mucus produced by milk in the gastrointestinal system. Milk. Sad, but it's true. Ang gatas daw po ng baboy para sa biek. Ang gatas ng aso para sa ang gatas ng baka para sa saguya for calf. Why did you give it to your kids? The International Red Cross recently released a medical alert that a child upon birth contains 250 toxins found in the umbilical cord, and 126 of those toxins are brain toxins. Imagine niyo, bata pa lang, nasa loob pa lang ng tiyan, toxic na yung bata. And 126 of those toxins are brain toxins. That's why we will never know if our child is autistic or has mental retardation until after 3 to 4 years old. Bakit? Transferred from mother to child. Toxicity. Number 1. Okay? So why are we promoting such product? Because the product that we have, ladies and gentlemen, is 100% proto-functional food. Functional food, it is complete. Just like any other diseases, like before there were AIDS, there was AIDS epidemic. After the AIDS epidemic, nagkaroon ng SARS, hindi po ba? Alam niyo ba kung ano yung SARS? Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. Severe na, acute pa. 3 years after SARS, it was accordingly brought about by a bird. It became bird flu. 3 years after bird's flu, it is now what? AH1N1. Ahini. So nag-mutate. Just like the health revolution, it is also mutating. During the 1970s, you have seen the vitamin C revolution. The 1980s, you have seen the multivitamin revolution. The 1990s, it was the antioxidant revolution. That's when you start seeing a lot of coffee, chocolate, green tea na punong-puno daw ng antioxidant. Diba? And then, the millennium, it was the immune system revolution. 2010 onwards, ladies and gentlemen, ano na yung revolution na yan? It is now the stem cell revolution. Stem cell. You have been hearing a lot about stem cells. It is available all over, except the Philippines. In order for you to get a stem cell, you have to go to Germany or to the United States or to China. Well, guess what, ladies and gentlemen? We are bringing the stem cell therapy or technology. We have already begun here in the Philippines. Thanks to the beautiful lady over there. Because of her kind heart and big-heartedness, she literally begged the company to have the Philippines partake this product. Ano po ba yung product na yan? Bakit ba natin kailangan yan? Andiyan na po lahat eh. It's complete. And I will go about that later on. Stem cells are cells that have an ability to become various types of cells. They are used for the brain, for wound healing, for your bone marrow, your spinal cord, osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis, even baldness, blindness, deafness, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, myocardial infarction, name it. Kung saan po may cell ang katawan, dyan po nagagamit yan. Hindi po tayo yung one pill for every ill. Sino rito ang umiinom ng hypertension maintenance? Nagtaas na kamay kanina iba. Yung iba, cholesterol maintenance. Sino pa yung, parehong kamay din yun ha? Sino yung nag-maintain ng blood sugar maintenance? Ma'am Ana, sinakop mo na ho lahat. See? When we treat the problem, we have to target the problem on a cellular level, not on a superficial level. It has to be down to the cellular level. In medicine, ladies and gentlemen, the strange world of semantics brings us to a bold statements just to send message across. But in these stressful and chaotic times, truth is the only saving grace that we can hold on to just to save precious lives, even at the expense of braggadocio. So many people have died because of over-the-counter or prescription drugs. The United States and here in the Philippines. You see, Filipinos love playing doctors. Sumakit ang katawan, iinom yan ng Alaxan IFR. Diba? Pagkatapos uminom ng Alaxan IFR, meron nakilala. Masakit ang katawan mo, uminom ka ng Alaxan IFR. Magaling. Without them knowing that what may be good for you may be bad for another person. Because our metabolism is totally different from one another. But Filipinos love playing doctors. That's why after this presentation, you can now add into your name the title MD, PhD. Alam niyo po ba kung ano ibig sabihin nun? Mukhang doktor, pero hindi doktor. In Lamine, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to teach you the right way. We are going to teach you how to target the problem on a cellular level. You will be ambassadors and soldiers of good health. Stem cells has been proliferating since as long back as we can remember. But the U.S. government doesn't want this. Doctors, as much as possible, don't want this simply because it will take a lot of business. But hey, God has a mission, and it is our job to spread the good word. Sino rito ang ayaw pong tumanda? Ang dami! Di ba? Cellular apoptosis or cellular apoptosis. Wala pong tumatanda. Kalabaw lang po. The liver has been designed by God to sustain life up to 120 years old. After 120 years, the liver will just wither and the person will die. The question is, meron po bang umaabot ng 120 years? None. Why? Diseases, the food we eat, the water that we drink, the air we breathe. Yung tubig na iniinom po natin, most bottled water contains H. pylori bacteria. And the only way that H. pylori bacteria can be filtered out is if the water has undergone 27 stages of filtration. And there's only one kind of water who has undergone 27 stages of filtration. You know what it is? Distilled water. Who among you here drinks Absolute and Wilkins? Raise your hand. I want to see hands. This is supposed to be interactive. Wala? Sigurado? Masama pong magsinungaling, magagalit si Jesus. Very good. Distilled water has only two usage, for car batteries and for steam iron. In the United States, all distilled water label contains skulls and bones. That's why when I came to the Philippines in 2009, because this is where I want to die, because I was given 6 months, stage 4 leukemia. Sabi ko, I would like to die in the Philippines. Sabi ng best friend ko, why? It's always fun in the Philippines. Diba? So, when I went to the hospital, the first thing I saw was the water that they were giving. Sabi ko, bro, madali akong mamamatay dito. Bakit? Tignan mo binibigay nila, distilled water, oh. Bakit baby, distilled water, oh. Distilled water is 100% acidic. The moment it touches your tongue, all the trace minerals at the tip of your tongue will be sucked up like a vacuum, and before it reaches your small intestine, it is now 100% acid. Water. The food that you eat. If there's one mineral or one vitamin that is absent from the food that you eat, a lot of disease comes out. Vegetables. Inisprayan po yan ng insecticide, pesticide. And to preserve its look, ini-sprayan po yan ng formaldehyde or formalin. And then, example, who among the mothers here buys eggplant? Eggplant, talong. Anong klase po ng talong ang binibili ninyo? Hindi ba gusto nyo yung mahaba, yung matigas, at yung makinis? Mabuti pa po ang uod, matalino kaysa sa inyo. Alam nila na pagkakinain nila yung makinis, matigas at mahabang talong na yan, mamamatay sila. Kayo hinugasan ninyo lang, andas ginawang torta or pinakbet or lasagna pa yung iba. Hindi nyo hinugasan ng tama. Pagkatapos isi-serve ninyo sa pamilya ninyo, iniserve nyo sila, that is eggplant a la formalin. You were not able to remove. Ang bottom line ngayon, pag bibili ho kayo ng talong, yun na lang hong malambot at yung may butas. Dahil mas madaling tanggalin yung uod kesa tanggalin yung formalin. Sad. This is something that we do not hear on a daily basis. Accordingly, the food pyramid also dictates how many glasses of water per day. At least 8 glasses. How do you drink that 8 glasses of water? There's a sequence of drinking it. If I were you, I would write this down. 2 glasses of water the moment you wake up. Why? To activate your internal organs. Kaya pagising niyo po sa umaga, wag muna kayong ngingiti. Do not let the air pass into that mouth because there are digestive enzymes at the tip of your tongue that needs to be swallowed back. Pag nahanginan na po yan, wala na yung digestive enzyme. Purbahan mo, nakagat ka na ba ng lamok? Di ba pagka kinakagat ka ng lamok, ang tendency, pak, palo ka agad, di ba? Tapos may makate. Pagka kinagat ka ng lamok, pak, palo ka agad, tanggalin mo, dilaan mo. Hindi yung lamok, yung pinagkagatan. Dilaan mo. Tanggal yung katinon because of the digestive enzyme in your tongue. Of course, you have to brush your teeth at night before going to bed. But no, it has to be fresh. 2 glasses, the moment you wake up, swallow back that digestive enzyme. Kaya yung mga natutulog po ng nakanganga, walang digestive enzyme kasi tulo ng tulo yung laway. Diba? And then another glass of water every time you finish taking a bath. Why? To normalize your blood pressure. And then another glass of water before going to bed. Water should be the last thing that goes inside your system before you sleep. Why? To prevent heart attack at midnight. Because most heart attack happens at midnight when the body is totally at rest. Doc, that's only 4 glasses. What about the other 4? Half a glass of water during the day, every hour during the day. Drink half a glass of water. Because every hour that you do not drink water, 1,000 cells die. That is what we call cellular apoptosis. And that is the reason why we get wrinkles, we get lines, we get all these crow's feet. We get all these pores unrefined. It's because you do not drink water every hour. Alam ko yan. Kita nyo, tunggaan lahat ng tubig. Oh. You see? Your body gets dehydrated. Every hour that you do not drink, 1,000 cells die. Mararamdaman nyo po yan, after 3 hours, you get migraine. Simply because it's been 3 hours, you haven't drunk any water yet. Doc, uminom naman ako ng coffee, green tea, iced tea, soft drinks. It doesn't count. The food pyramid says water. Unadulterated. So what is the best water to drink? If all bottled water, and especially if distilled water, is not good. Alkaline. See? Alkaline. With lemon, that's fine. As long as it's alkaline. See? avoid cellular apoptosis because cellular apoptosis is happening in your body on a daily basis. You do not feel it, but it is happening. And it's the number one cause why you age. And I know you guys do not want to age. Nutrition optimum or cellular rejuvenation through formation or supplementation is a term that I used to use as a cutting-edge technology. We must address the problem, rejuvenation for rejuvenation. Aging, alam nyo na kung ano yan. It is the process of senescence or of growing old. So, kailangan po lagpasan natin yan. Paano natin magagawa yan? The diseases that you know nowadays, ladies and gentlemen, are not hereditary. They are what we call lifestyle disease. Especially in the Philippines, when the Filipinos are always on a seafood diet. Diba? They eat all the food they see. Seafood, kain. And normally, Filipinos eat 5 to 7 times a day. They always find a reason to eat. They eat breakfast, brunch, lunch, snack, dinner, supper, midnight snack. Pag galit yan, kakain. Masaya kakain, malungkot kakain. There's always a reason. Kung kinakailangan pati birthday ng aso niya para lang magkaroon ng kainan, gagawin. And then if I may ask, and I'm sorry if there are people who are still eating here, how often do you move your bowel? Who among you here move 3 times a day? Raise your hand. 3 times a day. Twice a day. Once a day. Yung mga hindi nagtaas, hindi nag-move ng bowel. Delikado. The normal bowel movement is 3 to 4 times a day. If you move your bowel twice or once a day, meron akong kilala, 1 linggo na, hindi pa. You are a candidate for colon blockage and colon cancer. You are constipated. But don't worry, ladies and gentlemen. Nobody dies of colon cancer. Nobody. Cory Aquino had colon cancer. She didn't die of colon cancer. She died of cardiac arrest. Helen Vela had colon cancer. She did not die of colon cancer. She died of pneumonia. So nobody dies of colon cancer, for crying out loud. That's only a piece of Diba? Forgive me. How will you allow yourself to die just because of a piece of You have to flush it out. Ano yan, ginto? Ayaw nyo ilabas? Your body will tell you exactly if there's something wrong with you. If your fecal material, when you move it, lumubog sa tubig, kulay itim, mabaho, you have a colon problem. Because you will know that your colon is clean if your fecal material is light brown in color and it floats on the water. The body will tell you. Okay? So let's study. What do we need to have in order to be on a perfect health? Laminin, ladies and gentlemen. Laminin are cell adhesion molecules that literally binds us together. This product does not contain a stem cell. There's no laminin in this product. What it has, or what it does, is that it enhances the stem cell that you have inside your system, the master stem cell. And the master stem cell is called laminin. Laminin are major proteins in the basal lamina, one of the layers of the basement membrane. They are a protein network foundation for most cells and organs. They are a biologically and active part of the basal lamina, influencing cell differentiation. Will this cell, once it's differentiated, will it become a girl, boy, or bading tomboy? Cell migration. Will this cell become a part of the heart, the liver, the lungs, the kidney, the brain, the bones? Cellular adhesion. Will it bind one cell to another? And phenotype or survival. Will this cell last 1 day, 5 months, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 120 years? Laminin are family of glycoproteins that are an integral part of the structural scaffolding of almost every tissue of an organism. Question, ladies and gentlemen, how many layers are there in an egg? Interactive. Ilan po ang bahagi ng itlog? Sino nagsasabing 4? Taas ang kamay. 3. Sino nagsasabing 3? Taas ang kamay. Sir, hindi ho 2 ha? Ibang itlog ho yung 2. Left and right lang po yun. How many layers? 4. Who agrees that there are 4 layers in an egg? Yung iba ayaw magtaas ng kamay, playing safe. There's 4 layers in an egg. The shell, the white thin membrane before the white of the egg, and then the egg yolk. So there's 4. That white thin membrane, makikita mo yan pag kumakain kayo ng balot or pagka naglaga kayo ng itlog. Hindi po ba? Yun pong white thin membrane na yon, yun po yung pinakalaminin ng itlog. Yun po yung tinatawag namin na proto-embryonic stage. The pese, na naluto na kaya hindi na siya usable. Okay? That is the structural scaffolding in almost every tissue of an organism. Laminin is vital for the maintenance and survival of every tissue. They are literally what holds us together. Kaya po tayo buo. It's because of the laminin inside your body. Unfortunately, as we age, after 21 years old, our laminin production decreases. Sabi po sa Bible, and I'm sure you guys knows this, Colossians 1:15-17. On the last verse, it says there, I am the one that holds you together. Di po ba? So, ibig sabihin, if we're going to take that word literally, who is inside us that's holding us together? The Lord. In the Bible, you can also see or read that the body of man is the temple of the Holy Spirit. Then why are you not taking care of that temple? Why are you putting something there that will ruin the temple? Again, I ask, if you are given the opportunity to regain back your youth, will you take it? Why was it that when a microbiologist checked in a microscope the figure of laminin, it comes in a figure of a cross? So is there a correlation when God said, I am inside each and every one of you. I am the one that holds you together. Science, religion agrees. Science, it's a figure of a cross. There's the B1 chain, the A chain, and the B2 chain, and the photoglycan binding. The cross signifies what? What does the cross signify? Salvation. The 3 small chains, the B1 chain, the A chain, and the B2 chain, are the receptors. Yan po yung humihigop ng mga nutrients ng pagkain kinakain natin. And then the photoglycan binding, yun naman po yung mga nakatusok sa bawat cell, sa bawat tissue, sa bawat organ, siya naman po ang naglalabas ng mga nutrisyon ng pagkain kinain natin. So there is now an even distribution of the food nutrients that we put into our system. Kasi wala na pong even distribution eh. Kaya yung iba, may sakit sa puso, yung iba may sakit sa atay, yung iba may sakit sa ganito, kasi po yung nutrisyon ng pagkain hindi na napupunta ng equally distribution. Kanya-kanya sila ng, kagaya ng sinabi natin kanina, 1 serving of meat per week. Who among you here eats 1 serving of meat per week? Raise your hand. Wala. It is now the reverse. Very few. Okay, meron. Tanungin natin. Sino po rito ang kumakain ng karne ng baboy? Pork meat. Come on, let's be honest. Yeah. Pork meat contains trichina worms. And trichina worms can never be killed. No matter how much fire you put the pork meat, it will never die. And trichina worms, sabi ko po kanina, truth lang tayo, sa totoo lang po. trichina worms, you will know that there's heavy infestation of trichina worms in your body if you see a part of your body that is growing, hindi naman kayo buntis. The midsection. After that, pag punong-puno na yung midsection, eto naman, ang lalaki. Mga braso. Pagkatapos, dito na. Di ba? And it will stay in your system for 25 years. And the only reason you will know is that pagdating ng hapon, sino rito yung mga pagdating ng 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock, para sasabihin na I'm fatigued, nahahapo ako, para akong nauupos na kandila. Kung wala pa, wag ho kayo mag-alala, darating din ho kayo dyan. See? See the beauty of the blueprint of God. Figure of a cross. Salvation. I am inside each and every one of you. I am the one that holds you together. The problem is, it is depleting. The laminin inside our body depletes as we age. So, we have to do something about it. We have to supplement it. Kaya nga po, inilabas po namin yung product na to. The product is a very unique product in itself. What is laminine, ladies and gentlemen? This is an old, new technology. Old because this has been discovered in 1929 by a Canadian doctor by the name of Dr. John Davidson. It was during in 1929 when he discovered that an embryonic extract from a 9-day-old avian egg can be used to treat his cancer patients back to perfect health. Imagine niyo, 1929, the technology was not as good as what we have now. In 1929, he used the technology to treat his terminally ill cancer patients. Terminally ill, ibig sabihin mamamatay na. And he used that for 4 years. After 4 years, unfortunately, the technology or the research was not supported by the government. It died at the same time that he passed away. It was archived in the foundation's record. Not until after 50 years later, it has been rediscovered. Pinalabas po yan sa Discovery Channel and National Geographic. And during the time that it was being shown, the owners of Laminine or Life Farm Global was able to watch the telecast. Immediately after the telecast, he called the foundation, purchased the right to the research. And then he put together scientists, microbiologists, doctors, researchers, put together, used the extraction and freeze-drying technique, and then brought it to the technology that we have right now, added a few more components, thus came out laminine. Laminine. Bakit naging laminine? The component or the proto-embryonic stage extract, the main foundation of the product, pese, from a 9-day-old avian egg. 9-day-old avian egg. Kaya po hindi ito embryonic stem cell, hindi ito animal stem cell, hindi ito umbilical cord stem cell. This is a stem cell enhancer. This is the closest that you can be on stem cell technology. Affordable. You do not have to spend millions and millions of dollars for 3 injections. 9-day-old avian egg. Bakit 9-day-old? Bakit hindi 10 days old? Bakit hindi 8 days? 9 exactly on the 9th day when all factors necessary to create life are at its highest peak. It's on the 9th day. Liquid pa po yan. Wala yang solid na material except the eggshell. And we extracted that thin white extract. At yun po ang ginamit. Nilagyan po yan ng shark cartilage. Bakit siya nilagyan ng shark cartilage? It has been found on research that sharks never develop cancer. May nakita na ba kayong pateng na mayroon pong cancer? Ako hindi pa nakita pateng eh. May cancer. Actually, shark cartilage is very good to combat female cancer. Those are breast cancer, cervical cancer, and ovarian cancer. Napakagaling po ng shark cartilage because of its healing properties. We do not cure. Natural medicine or alternative medicine does not cure. The same token, we will never claim that our product cures. We will not even claim that it heals. What our product does is that it assists the body in healing itself. Di ba kanina sinabi ko po, the body has its own healing mechanism, and it is the doctor's job to activate and reactivate the body's healing mechanism. What we have is the instrument to assist the body in healing itself. Pag ginamit niyo po yan, para po kayong nagpa-stem cell na rin. Non-invasive. See? It has shark cartilage to combat female cancer. The shark cartilage is also very good for anti-inflammation or anti-inflammatory. It's very good for arthritis. And most of all, it's very good for psoriasis. Alam niyo po ba yung psoriasis? Diba? Sorry as is. Psoriasis. Wala pong gamot yan. It's an autoimmune disease. Yung skin. Pero we have proof that a lot of people suffering from psoriasis was able to heal. A lot. We can go on and on here, and aabutin na ho tayo ng ikalawang pagparito ng Kristo. Hindi pa po tayo tapos mag-testimonial dito. Laminine, ladies and gentlemen, is a 9-day-old fertilized avian egg. Highest level. It is a proto-functional food. Remember, on the onset of this presentation, let thy food be thy medicine. This is a proto-functional food, the most complete you can ever think of. It contains vitamins, multivitamins, phytonutrients, minerals, 22 amino acid. 22 amino acid. Yung mga nag-i-insulin po, insulin shot per unit only contains 17 amino acid. Our product, 1 capsule, 22 amino acid. Kaya nga po, ang daming gumaling na mga diabetic patients. Instead of doing their shots, they just take this. But there's a way. Do not just stop your insulin shot and just take it. There's a way to do that. See, the birth of laminine, a cell adhesion molecule that glues us together, that's laminin. The perfect combination of life-giving substance sourced from land, sea, and plant, that's laminine. The product enhances the stem cell laminin. It's named Laminine Enhancer for Laminin. Di ba? Parang, di ba? Anong tawag doon? Peter Piper, peck the peck. See? Shark cartilage, it has an anti-angiogenesis effect. Ladies and gentlemen, for those of you, probably you know people who had cancer or has undergone chemotherapy. No matter how much chemotherapy you undergo, there will always be one cancer cell that will remain in the body. And if the body develops new blood vessels, that is what we call angiogenesis, that cancer cell will transfer to the new blood vessel and will multiply. That's why I do not want to call myself a cancer survivor, because most survivors die after 5 years. I am a cancer conqueror. Because thanks to Laminine, I was able to survive, to surpass, and conquer. There's no cancer cell in my body now. I am totally free of cancer. I've been diagnosed with chronic myelogenous leukemia in 2003. 2009, it has metastasis into stage 4 because my blood is an AB+. I cannot find a match except my son. And during that time, I will not subject my son to the excruciating pain of bone marrow transplant. He was only 9 years old back then. So I'd rather die. And as I said, I'd die in the Philippines. Why? It's more fun in the Philippines. No cancer cell. Anti-angiogenesis is what shark cartilage have. Breast cancer. Do you know why women get breast cancer? Have any idea, Doctora? Any doctor? Can you share us? Why do you think female or women gets cancer? Breast cancer. Hormonal, yes. Genetic, probably. But I will give you one. Yes, ma'am. Pwede rin po. Pero the simplest reason why female gets cancer, breast cancer, deodorant. Deodorant. Why? When you apply deodorant, it will clog the pores. Correct? Kasi ayaw niyang pagpawisan, ayaw niyang mabaho. So, babarahan. Mabango nga naman, tuyo pa. Ang problema po, the toxins that should have come out was prevented from coming out of the pores on your armpit. What it will do is that it will look for the fattiest area closest to the armpit. And which one is that? Your breast, the mammary gland. So, dun na lang po yun, dun yun mag-i-embed, mag-accumulate, magiging toxic, tapos magiging lump. Pagkatapos, magme-metastasis na yan into cancer. Pagkatapos, nagka-cancer, pumunta sa ospital, anong ginawa? Pinamastectomy ka agad. Bottom line, do not use deodorant. There are alternative. Use tawas. Mura na, safe and effective pa. Vodka? Ano yun? Tequila shot? Lasing ka kagad. Calamansi will make your armpit dark. Because calamansi is highly acidic. The only pure calamansi alkaline is yung pinaka-green na green. Yung berding calamansi, that's 100% alkaline. Pero pagka nalagyan na po ng yellow yung calamansi na yan, it's now acidic. Pag nilagay nyo yan sa ilalim ng kilikili nyo, mangingitim yan. Balik tayo sa shark cartilage. Benefits. It prevents cancers and tumors, anti-inflammatory and healing acids, psoriasis supplement, aids in pain reduction and healing. That's the second component of laminine. The first component is the PESE, the proto-embryonic stage extract. The third component, ladies and gentlemen, is the yellow pea. The yellow pea. It aids vision. It's very good because it contains lutein and beta-carotene and have an antioxidant effect that combats male cancer. Male cancer such as prostate, colon, liver, lung cancer. Hindi po yan inilagay dyan para lang dumami yung component. It has a yellow pea, vitamin A. The product is a very good corrective supplement for macular degeneration. It will restore back your vision to 2020. Constant use of this product. And we have evidences to prove it. We have people from different countries, literally blind, macular degeneration, retinal detachment, even simple cases of astigmatism, myopia, presbyopia, glaucoma, cataract. It will reverse it. Your vision will go back to 2020 eventually. Teka, hindi pa ako tapos eh. So, it is also good for bone disease, asthma, fatigue, digestive issues, inflammation, high blood pressure, heart disease, and digestive issues. For those of you who have irritable bowel syndrome, that's the number one problem nowadays. IBS. Diba? Minsan pagkalalabas papasok kayo sa banyo, it's supposed to be comfort room. But when you're inside, it becomes a delivery room. You only do ere inside a delivery room. Pagkatapos yung iba, paglabas pa, dumumi na isang beses, paglabas, success. Success daw. The food that you eat stays in your colon for 2 days before you expel them out. So if you move your bowel today, which is Friday, that is the food that you ate last Wednesday. Last Wednesday, you ate 5 times. And then yesterday, you ate another 5 times. And then you're going to move your bowel once. Success pa daw yun. See? With this, because of the yellow P component of laminin, it will help you correct your irritable bowel syndrome so that the CR will remain a comfort room, not a delivery room. Okay? The product, ladies and gentlemen, is really a miracle in a capsule. And we really thank God for giving us this product. Imagine, from the United States, the Philippines is the second country in the world to be enjoying this product. Thanks again to Ma'am Susan Barlin. Let's give her a big round of applause for her perseverance in bringing it. Again, the product's benefits. It's very good for memory enhancement. It's very good for memory enhancement. Because of the presence of cysteine, the amino acid, it allows the two neurons to connect each other, the axons and the dendrites. That's why it's very good for kids for memory enhancement, much better than Goto Cola. It is very good for people who had stroke. Yung namatay po yung kalahati ng katawan, it's not moving. It's because there's no communication between the two neurons, the axons and the dendrites. But with laminin, it will push the axon to send the communication, to send the message to the dendrite, igalaw mo yan, igalaw mo yan, igalaw mo yan, gagalaw yan. It contains OPT9, or the oligopeptide transporter 9, which is the one that transports all the nutrients to the parts of the body where it's needed the most. And then it also has FGF, or the fibroblast growth factor. The fibroblast growth factor is the very important, the most important component that we need in our body. Why? It acts as a director or a general contractor. It is the one that tells the nutrients to go where the parts or where the body needs it the most. We don't have any fibroblast growth factor in our body. The only time that we had the FGF is during the time of our conception. Nung nakapinagbubuntis tayo ng mga ina natin, nung inilabas na po tayo together with the placenta, it has been flushed out. And whatever was left, it dissipated as we grow old. Kaya nga po, wala tayong FGF. And the beauty of this product, if you're going to compare it to any other stem cell procedure, yung mga ini-stem cell po nila, walang fibroblast growth factor. If you get an adult stem cell from a centrifuge blood, thank you very much, from a centrifuge blood, what it does is that it will get the yellow portion of the blood, which is the adult stem cell, at pagkatapos yun po uli ang i-injection sa inyo. Adult stem cell. Is there an FGF there? There's none. What they will do, they will buy fibroblast growth factor from the United States. It will cost you another $500,000. They're going to mix that in your IV, and then that IV will be dripped, or it will be connected into your body. Kaya para magkaroon ng fibroblast growth factor. Tapos yung procedure na stem cell from an adult will cost you about ₱1 million. So the total procedure will cost you about 1.5 million. I'm sure you guys have 1.5. But if you can afford 1.5, can you afford $49? $49, nandiyan na po sa product na yan. $49 lang, 30 capsules. The equivalent of 30 capsules is the equivalent of 1 shot of stem cell. See? Ang ganda, meron po tayong wala sila. and they will never have it simply because the product, the components of our product is patented. It will be the only product in the world that contains fibroblast growth factor. See, ano ba yan? Meron yan. Proto-embryonic, fertilized, contains the most potent and balanced combination of not only amino acids, but also other known and unknown factors such as the fibroblast growth factor. We believe amino acids derived from such fluids combined with the growth factors are able to enhance brain function because they are precisely engineered to support the most complex stage of birth of a living creature, the beginning. Fibroblast growth factor should be there from the very start. Yung mga pong pinapanganak na bata na may kulang po, let's say they have a cleft palate, they are missing a limb, or what have you, there was an absence of fibroblast growth factor. The mother or the father did not have enough to sustain the life of the child, its completion. How can that happen? Gentlemen, for your information only, when you are sick with fever, alam ko naman po lahat tayo, dito may mga asawa na, di po ba? Before you mate with your wife, you make sure that you have ejaculated that sperm cell after getting fever. Dahil yung toxins po, kompleto doon sa semen na hindi nyo inilabas. And then you mate with your wife, baby develop, toxic. Are you with me? Are you with me? Wag ko kayong mag-alala. Again daw. Again. Again. In layman's term, when you are about to get well after coming from a whatever disease, let's say, sa lagnat na lang, you have to masturbate and get that semen out of your system. After, do not mate with your wife because that can be a number one cause of the child, pagka nabuo, may sakit. Kunin na po ang lahat, wag lang ang akin. Ano pa? Fibroblast growth factor, general contractors, they have the potential to directly affect many neuro disorders because of clear results of the ability of FGF to affect the growth of neurites. Kaya the product, when we use it to a lot of people with autism, 7-year-old kid to 21-year-old male, the effect was so profound that mothers testify in behalf of their children, umiiyak po. Because yung dati, painumin yan sa person with autism. Di ba mga autistic child or people, yung mata niyan, ikot ng ikot, they do not focus. Painumin nyo yan, after 2 days, talk to them. They will look at you straight. They are focused. We can say that with confidence because we have seen it happen so many times and we continuously see it happen. So it's very good for any neurological problem. FGF is responsible for building the linings of the blood vessels, thus creating the infrastructure for the nutrients to flow at the critical stage or critical areas of the brains and other organs. Kaya hindi nyo po kailangang uminom ng pambuka at ng pangsara. Laminine lang po, it will melt down the plaques embedded in your veins, in your arteries. It corrects arteriosclerosis, even atherosclerosis. And the gentleman loves this. If your circulation is good, if the blood flows correctly, your libido is enhanced. Para po kayong naka-natural Viagra. Wag na hindi makantiyan ni Mrs. Angry Bird yan. Simply because the blood is flowing smoothly. Napakaganda po. Ito yung mga tao, may mga diabetic patients kami po. The first thing that they told me when they saw me, Doc, masaya po si Mrs. Ikaw, bakit ho si Mrs. Kayo ang umiinom ng Laminine. Basta masaya po si Mrs. Hindi ko humagets. Nung dumating si Mrs. Doc, sa wakas, after 8 months, may jug-jug na ho kami. Inom muna ako. Erectile dysfunction syndrome is easily corrected. So you do not need Viagra anymore. FGF nurtures the body's own stem cell. You see, there's a big difference. This is the big difference in medicine and alternative. In medicine, when we give you that or introduce that into your body, it pushes the body to create or release something to heal. Ini-induce. As opposed to the natural or the alternative side, once we introduce it into your system, it will help the body enhance what is there to correct itself. Did you see the difference? Kumbaga po, sinasabi ng Department of Health, the product, all natural product, or all nutraceutical product should have this phrase, no approved therapeutic claim. Tama, no approved therapeutic claim dahil kami po ay hindi nakakagamot. Pero kami po ay nakakagaling. Why? Simply because we have approved therapeutic value. And there's a big difference between curing and healing. We do not cure. We will assist the body in healing itself. Okay? Are we clear on this? Kaya ano pa? Feeds brain stem cells. Nourish stem cells multiply. FGF, or the fibroblast growth factor, repairs or destroys mutant genes. Especially in Huntington and Alzheimer's disease. Blepharospasm. Who among you here are taking maintenance for cholesterol? Cholesterol maintenance. There. Okay. Guess what, ladies and gentlemen? According to medicine, the reason why we have to take cholesterol maintenance is because of the LDL uptake, correct? The bad cholesterol. Guess what? There is no such thing as bad cholesterol. All cholesterols are good. The low-density lipoprotein, or the bad cholesterol, is the food of our brain cells. The brain cells, once it dies, it's dead. It cannot regenerate. And the only reason why it will die is because it has been deprived of LDL. Uminom kayo ng cholesterol maintenance. The body produces LDL up to 1,200 milligrams per day for the brain cell. Kaso katakawan na naman, kumain na naman kayo ng mga pagkaing matataas sa cholesterol, tumaas ang cholesterol. Ininuman nyo yan ng cholesterol maintenance, bumagsak. Sinong hindi nakakain? The brain cells. Ano mangyari sa brain cells? Namatay. Pag namatay ang brain cells, ano ang sakit mo pag edad mo ng 60, 70, 80 years old? Dementia muna. After dementia, Alzheimer's. Pag minalas-malas ka pa, bata pa lang, Parkinson's disease na yan. See? We have a lot to offer. I would suggest that whoever invited you here, palakpakan po ninyo ngayon because they care for you. They want you to learn something. And with that, I would say thank you very much for inviting me here, allowing me to speak. And as a parting word, I would like to leave this, guys, to you. When we are young, we use our health to gain wealth. But when we're old, we use our wealth to gain back our health. And most of the time, it's too late. So please, do not procrastinate. Try the product and be part of the Laminine family. Thank you very much.